Good morning! Today I'm off to Bordeaux in the south of France. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and I haven't been to bed yet. It's one of those things where you just don't get a chance to go to sleep when you're flying early in the morning. So I'm loaded up, I've got all my bits. I'm only going for a day, but it should be fun. Well, I made it to the car park. I've got my long stay ticket. So finally getting to the gate. Looking forward to this. There's our plane. Morning. Thank you. Yep, this is the reason I'm in Bordeaux. I'm fitting up the radio camera for the Euros. So this is basically the transmitter which goes into the helicopter. This is what the pilot can see. There's another monitor around the back. Let's go behind this helicopter. Oops. Go underneath. So this is what we can see there, and here is the camera. It's very expensive. And the airport itself is actually in Bordeaux, and here we are. This is a Ryanair coming in. Now this is the antenna, which is where the picture comes out of the helicopter. At the moment it's in a vertical position, but when it takes off it comes down and it goes down below, basically so that it's clear of the helicopter. So after spending a day with the helicopter, I've just come out to find my hotel, and it's this one over here. It's called the Ibis. There's another one over there called the Ibis, and I went there at first and they said, oh no, we haven't got a reservation for you. So it was quite funny. And I went here, and then they gave me a key, and I went inside, and somebody else was already in there. It was quite funny. So anyway, I'm now going back to the airport and catch the guys and see what they're doing. We need more than 12 small ones, do we? It's about 5:30. Naked. A drink of water. It's looking very attractive. I'm going to crash out for a couple of hours. I'm knackered. Good morning, welcome to another day in France. I'm going home this morning, so quite looking forward to that. It's actually quite an overcast day. It's hopefully it won't rain. I've got to walk to the airport. Now I was hoping to make myself a cup of tea when I woke up, but I realised there's no kettle in the room. It seems like French hotels may not supply kettles, so I'm going to have my PG tips when I get home later. Well, the rain's cleared up just enough so I can walk to the airport. It's about half a mile from the hotel, so it's not too bad. We're nearly there.
Sac à main, fashion duty free.
Girls. Good afternoon, just like I tried to start this morning, or this afternoon. We started off our day by
go home.